Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wise Assets Review My Usage Experience. Wise Assets Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for analyzing and managing various asset types, likely targeting investors or financial professionals. It seems to provide tools for reviewing asset performance, potentially including features like portfolio tracking, risk assessment, and maybe even some predictive analytics. Their website provides details on specific features and supported asset classes. Their website highlights ease of use as a key selling point, boasting a user-friendly interface and intuitive navigation. They emphasize pricing transparency with clear, upfront costs and no hidden fees or long-term contracts. The platform seems to leverage sophisticated algorithms for its analysis, though the specifics aren't explicitly detailed on the website. Availability is seemingly global, accessible via a web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wise Assets Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was straightforward and took less than 5 minutes. The dashboard is incredibly clean and intuitive. I particularly appreciate the color-coded chart summarizing my portfolio's performance. It makes identifying trends and areas of concern much easier. I spent some time using their risk assessment tool, and the results were detailed and comprehensive, offering insightful suggestions for diversification. The speed was excellent, data updates were almost instantaneous. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the reports, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone was a bit cumbersome. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable reporting features. I was able to tailor the reports perfectly to my needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wise Assets Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the complexities of asset management. That's my overview of Wise Assets Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.